Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect flan. First, let's create that essential caramel base. Gently melt 1 cup of granulated sugar over medium-low heat until it turns a beautiful amber color. Be careful not to burn it. Once melted, quickly pour the hot caramel into your baking dish. Swirl it around to ensure the bottom and a bit of the sides are evenly coated. This step is crucial for that signature flan finish. Next, we'll prepare the rich and creamy custard. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a delightful aroma. For an incredibly smooth flan, strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve. This removes any small lumps and ensures a perfect, velvety texture. Now it's time to bake our flan to perfection. Carefully place your flan dish into a larger baking pan. This creates a water bath, which is key to even cooking and a smooth texture. Pour hot water into the larger pan, ensuring it comes about halfway up the sides of your flan dish. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until the center is just set. Once baked, let your flan cool completely on a wire rack at room temperature. This prevents condensation. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. Chilling is essential for the flan to firm up and for the flavors to meld. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge, then invert it onto a serving plate. Enjoy your perfectly made flan.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.